Today we will be talking about communities. We'll talk about different types of communities, about helpers that work in our communities, and about different places in our communities. Hoy vamos a hablar acerca de comunidades, de los tipos, los ayudantes y los lugares. First, we're going to talk about different places in our communities. These are not all of the important places in our communities, but here are a few of those. For example, here is a post office. A post office is a place where you can buy stamps, you can buy different envelopes to send things in if you need to mail something or send something to someone. That is a post office. Eso es una oficina de correo para mandar paquetes o comprar estampillas, cosas así. Another important place in our communities are grocery stores. Grocery stores or supermarkets are places where we can buy lots of different kinds of food. Foods that are both in season and out of season, local and transported from far away. Esos son supermercados donde podemos comprar comida de cualquier tipo. Here are a few that I'm going to show you here. One moment while I move this. Here are another group of important places. One is a fire station. A fire station is a place where the fire trucks are housed. If people need help in an emergency, a fire at either a place or a house, they can get help from the people and trucks from a fire station. A gas station is a place where you can refill. Either refill your car with gas or refill yourself with some food. Police stations are the places where people can also get help in case of emergencies, especially if it involves the law. Son estaciones de fuego, estaciones de gasolina, y estaciones de policía. Here we can talk about some of the helpers that work in those places that we just discussed. So if I'm talking about a helper who is with the post office, that would be a mail carrier. Ayudante con oficina de correo es esta persona aquí. If I want to talk about community helpers for the fire station, gas station, or police station, that's this group right here. So I could talk about a firefighter who helps to put out the fire and to rescue people or animals. A cashier who helps to find out how much money you need to pay at a store or a gas station, and a police officer who helps to keep our community safe. Entonces, los bomberos, cajeros, y policías. Now let's talk about types of communities. People live in different kinds of communities. Some live in cities with high buildings or skyscrapers. Hay algunos tipos de comunidades como ciudades con rascacielos. There are also communities like this. There might be communities like a countryside where there's a lot of open space and farms, but there also might be communities just like these suburbs where there are a lot of houses close together and a lot of shops where you can purchase things close together as well. So those are all about communities, places, helpers, and types. Entonces, eso es todo acerca de las comunidades, lugares, ayudantes y tipos.